The Volkswagen Passat GTS Pointer 1.8 from 1986 is a fascinating model that exemplifies the era's automotive trends and the evolution of Volkswagen's engineering prowess. This particular model, primarily produced for the South American market, holds a special place in automotive history. Let's delve into a detailed analysis of its design, engineering, market context, and legacy. Historical context. In the mid-1980s, the automotive world was undergoing significant transformations. Manufacturers were focusing on enhancing fuel efficiency, improving aerodynamics, and incorporating more advanced engineering techniques. Volkswagen, a prominent player in the global automotive market, was expanding its influence in various regions, including South America. The Passat GTS Pointer was a result of this strategic expansion, tailored to meet the preferences and requirements of local consumers. Design and aesthetics. The design of the 1986 Passat GTS Pointer 1.8 reflects the typical styling cues of the 1980s. It featured sharp lines, a boxy silhouette, and a relatively simple yet functional interior. The car was designed to be practical and reliable, appealing to a wide range of customers. The exterior of the Passat GTS Pointer 1.8 was marked by a straightforward and clean design. It had a distinct front grille with the Volkswagen emblem prominently displayed, rectangular headlights, and a robust bumper. The overall shape was aerodynamic for its time, contributing to improved fuel efficiency and performance. Inside, the Passat GTS Pointer 1.8 offered a spacious and comfortable cabin. The seats were designed for long-distance comfort, with ample legroom and headroom. The dashboard was functional, with clear instrumentation and easy-to-reach controls. While the interior lacked the high-tech features of modern cars, it provided all the necessary amenities for a comfortable driving experience. Engineering and performance. The heart of the Passat GTS Pointer 1.8 was its 1.8-liter engine. This engine was part of Volkswagen's E8827 family, known for its durability and efficiency. In the GTS Pointer, this engine was tuned to deliver a balanced performance suitable for both city driving and highway cruising. The 1.8-liter inline-4 engine produced around 98 horsepower and 102 lb-ft of torque. This might seem modest by today's standards, but it was adequate for the car's size and weight. The engine was mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, which was standard for the GTS Pointer. This combination provided a satisfying driving experience, with smooth acceleration and responsive handling. Suspension and handling. The Passat GTS Pointer 1.8 featured a suspension setup that balanced comfort and agility. The front had McPherson struts, while the rear used a semi-independent setup. This allowed the car to handle well on various road conditions, providing a smooth ride and confident handling. The steering was precise, making it easy to maneuver in urban environments. Legacy and influence. The 1986 Volkswagen Passat GTS Pointer 1.8 holds a special place in the history of the Passat lineup. It demonstrated Volkswagen's ability to adapt its global models to regional markets, meeting specific local demands while maintaining the brand's core values of quality and reliability. Conclusion. The 1986 Volkswagen Passat GTS Pointer 1.8 is a remarkable example of 1980s automotive design and engineering. It represents Volkswagen's strategic efforts to cater to regional markets with tailored models that still adhere to the brand's standards of quality and performance. Today, the Passat GTS Pointer 1.8 is cherished by classic car collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate its historical significance and timeless design.